Alright, I'm just at St Mary's, the St Mary's bus terminus is there. I'm going to show you how to use one of these, the retro phone box. There's no door on this one, which is a shame. Alright. Alright, so if you lift it up, you get this on the screen. And it's 60p for a call, which is actually quite dear. Here's the information here. I've got a 20p there because you could actually send texts on these. But first I'll just show you what all the buttons mean. So you put hang on, I'll leave the phone there a minute. So you put the money in there. The display's here. That's to hang it up. Now this button here, follow on call. If you're phoning someone and it's only for like a minute, you could push that and dial another number without having to put in another 60p and lose your money. This is just to select, that's to delete, that's just up and down. And here's all the buttons. That's for a space. That's to delete. I think that's to select, and then that's to... I don't know what that is, but I'll just show you how to do a text. So I think you need to hang it up first. Okay, hang it up. Okay, so you'll see this. Press X for text services. So I've pushed X, and this should come up. Welcome to BT Payphone's text messaging and email services. So I'll push OK. So number 2, left hand set, okay. Okay, so that's in there, now you put this, so this is how you have to do it, alright? So that's 2 for an E, for an L, 3 times, I, O, T. So I'm just going to skip ahead until you get this. There's oh, there it is. So there it is, okay. Right, the subject, what will I do it about? Just do phone box text. Alright, I put the subject as phone box texting. Okay, so this is like the actual thing you send now, I'm pretty sure. Alright, to get capital letters, you push the hashtag. So I might do this. Alright, I've just put this. So to send, it's okay. So send message 0. And you get this cool wee animation of a letter flying through the air. And I've got the internet turned on the phone, so it should come through. Here's just around. Oh, there it is. Message sent successfully. Press OK to continue. There it is. That's it. Oh, I think this might be it. Yep, it is. There we are. That's pretty good, eh? I've actually got the phone box here. So if I just push call, this should start ringing. There we are. I'll go and answer it. Hello? 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 You hear that beeping? Hello? 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 That's weird, eh? Alright, I'm gonna just hang up. Oh, there we are. So that was the BT phones. So that was the BT phone box. I'll just go and see when the bus is due now.